MAN Diesel and Turbo offers leading air compression solutions for air separation units, ASUs, either with a radial main air compressor or an axial radial MAC for large units. The compressor type, AR. MAN has more than 40 years of experience with axial radial main air compressors. The air separation market for these large train sizes is continuously growing, driven by future-oriented applications like gas to liquid or coal to chemicals. In order to extend its leading position in this field, MAN recently introduced the air compressor technology of the future, AR MAX1. Together with the integrally geared booster air compressor and the driving steam turbine in the middle, the new train is called AIRMAX. MAN has further developed its proven axial radial main air compressor type AR by equipping it with the advanced axial blading generation MAX1. Besides the blade geometry itself, all parts and design features are well referenced. The AR MAX1 is a standardized modular system with a simple layout and a reduced number of parts, which is fully API compliant. The two main design targets of the MAX1 blading, a big step forward in power density as well as in robustness, have both been fully reached. A speed increase of approximately 1/3 has led to a reduction of the actual stage count by also roughly 1/3, and to a significantly smaller impeller diameter. The strongly increased power density drastically improves compactness and rotor dynamics due to the shorter rotor, thus also reducing production costs. But the novel blading generation combines the increased stage pressure ratio with further crucial advantages, like very high efficiency, very good operating range, and highest robustness. A unique combination of features in the market. All components of the main air compressor have been efficiency optimized. The aerodynamic design of the new axial blading and the subsequent radial diffuser have been optimized with the most modern tools and design methods used in the aero engine industry. The excellent operating range of AR MAX1 running at constant speed is achieved by 4 variable stator vanes. For standard ASU pressure, AR MAX1 features only one intercooler between the actual stage group and the radial stage, thus reducing complexity and easing assembly and maintenance. Also, the intercooler design has been optimized intensively by MAN engineers regarding approach temperature and pressure losses. And last but not least, the diagonal inlet, the radial stage itself, as well as the exit volute, have been significantly improved in their efficiency. The MAX1 wide chord blading has a strongly improved robustness against all kinds of mechanical blade loadings. Compressor surge is usually the most dangerous flow instability for conventional axial flow compressors. This periodic backflow occurs when the back pressure is too high for the compressor. During surge, the energy of the huge pressurized air volume inside the intercooler relieves by the air flowing back through the axial blading. A conventional axial blading can suffer only a limited number of surges until cracks in the blades occur. However, AR MAX1 represents MAN's third generation of surge robustness, being extremely resistant. Extensive prototype tests as well as surge tests of the first customer machine, have impressively proven that AR MAX1 exhibits superior surge robustness in the market. AR MAX1. It can deliver volume flows up to 1.5 million cubic meters per hour, pressures up to 25 bar, and exhibits highest robustness. A piece of equipment you can rely on. ASU train sizes are constantly growing to take advantage of economies of scale, and due to the lower train count in huge plants, also of shorter delivery time and lower effort for site erection, operations, and maintenance. With the AIRMAX trains standardized in the sizes small to extra large, our customers are prepared for train capacities of 7,000 tons of oxygen per day or larger, which is an expected size in the foreseeable future. But already, the smaller AIRMAX train sizes are very competitive regarding capex and transportability due to the higher speed and power density of Mac and its steam turbine. Also regarding OPEX, AIRMAX sets the benchmark, since the efficiency of the Mac has been further improved, and the steam turbine is now operating at its optimum speed range. AR MAX1 is engineered to the maximum. It is a true game changer, as it is uniquely compact, robust, and efficient.